everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami dragonfly, and this model is a pretty simple model, so if you're a beginner this model will be good for you. So you are going to start with a square piece of origami paper, and with color set up you're going to fold edge to edge, folding your model in half, and unfold and rotate your model and do the same thing, edge to edge. Like that. Okay, now the next thing that you are going to do is open up your model, and you're going to start with white side up and fold corner to corner and crease well. Unfold, rotate your model and corner to corner, just like that. Okay. Now you're going to use all your creases that you just made and fold your model like that into a triangle. Okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to fold the edges to the vertical center crease, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to unfold that. And you're going to fold these corners up to the top corner. Just like that. Okay. Now you're going to use both those creases. And you're going to start like that. And you're going to tuck in the side. Tuck in the side of your model. Like that. And that'll form one of the wings. Just like that. Then you're going to do the same thing here. You want to try to make the wings look kind of the same. It might take a little bit of adjusting, but just try to make them look the same. Then you're going to do the same thing here. So fold the corners down, and then fold them up. And then here it'll be a little easier to align them. So just open it up and see how that wing looks, and just try to make it look the same. And just like that. Okay. And do the same thing over here. Just like that. And then fold that down. Okay, so now you're going to fold your wing up, then over like that. And you're going to do this to all the wings, all four. Okay. You want to try to align them as much as possible. And same here. And fold it over. And then the same thing here. And this will be the last wing. Okay. So, now you have that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to fold that over. Just like that, and fold this over like that. Okay, so now you have that. Then you're going to fold the sides, edges to the center crease, and do the same thing on this side. And this side. Okay, Now you're going to fold that over and fold this over just like that. Okay, so now that you have the basic form of your Origami Dragonfly finished, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take this tip of the head, you're going to fold it behind the rest of the head. Then you're going to just kind of fold your dragonfly in half like that, and then pinch together the tail and kind of curve it if you'd like, and then unfold it a little bit, and there you go, an Origami Dragonfly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to go and check out some of my other videos, or you can go to paperfoldingfun.com and find my PDFs and instructions for more amazing origami. So always remember, go to paperfoldingfun.com and learn new origami, and most importantly, have a good day. Bye!